Mhm.
Okay, yeah, I'm sorry. I've got, and I guess I know, I have Jimmy.
So you're wondering, how do you make an Erasmus? Part of my article was talking about one of the ideas I had for my freshman English class, and that was to use a picture of Scylla from your ninth grade text in order to take your students to an aura that explains more or gives a video about Scylla and maybe Charybdis too. So the first thing you want to do is create an account for Erasmus, and you would usually do that right here and then click try it for free. But since I already have an account, I'm going to log in. And then you can see that I have logged in because here I am right here, the real Miss G, ha ha ha. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to click create a new aura. Now, the first thing you need to do is upload a trigger image. So my suggestion in my article was to use a picture of Scylla from the textbook. Since I don't have the textbook right in front of me, we're going to find a picture of Scylla. And you can just do this by Googling any images on the internet. I've already done that, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click to upload our trigger image, and I'm going to name it Scylla. And then you're doing it from files, so make sure that this one is the lighter purple, and browse. And then I've named it Scylla, and here's the picture. You click open, and then save. And right now what it's doing is creating your trigger picture of Scylla. And this is the picture that the students are going to scan to take them where you want them to go, or to teach them what you want them to teach. So the next thing I'm going to do, we're going to click next, and it's going to ask to upload our overlay. Now, the overlay is some sort of video or something that you want to teach the students. In this case, because Scylla plays a big part in one of the stories one of the books that we read in the Odyssey, I want to give the students an example of what happened. So I'm going to give them a movie clip from the TV movie, The Odyssey. So I'm going to click to upload the overlay. And then I have already downloaded it from YouTube. So we're going to find it right now. And it's right here. I've put it on as a QuickTime video. So we're going to use this and then click open and save. And right now it's putting in your overlay. While we're doing that, if you don't have any experience in downloading a YouTube video, all you really need to do is find the video that you'd like to use on YouTube, and then after the www dot and before the Y in YouTube, you're going to add SS to download it safely and create either a low or medium quality video, and you can do this for free. Lots of schools block the safe download, but you can do it from home easily. Oh, we've had an error, but it looks like it's cleared itself up. So you can kind of see in here, in the back is the image, and then the video is playing over top of it. Now you can't watch the aura from the Erasmus Studio, but it is already completed. So we're going to click next, and we're going to save it, and it's been saved successfully. Now, if you want to preview it, you click on preview. However, you cannot preview it in the Erasmus Studio. So these are the instructions of how to do it from a phone or an iPad. And all you have to do is have the students download Erasmus and then focus on your image, your trigger image. In this case, it is this image right here. And then you can watch it come to life. And it's really cool. So that's the next thing I'm going to show you. Okay, now, how a student views an aura that you have already created. All right, so I've got my picture of Scylla on my computer screen. And in theory, this would be inside of the ninth grade text or posted on the wall inside of my classroom. And here is an example of the student screen on an iPhone. So once they get to the Discover Auras page, what they're going to do is they're going to click this purple button right here. And the purple button is going to identify right away the picture that you have. And if you notice, if I pull away, I still see the laptop, but the picture is turned into the video. And behind it is still the picture. But the phone is playing the introductory video or the part of the Odyssey video that I want my students to see. I think the coolest part is this, that the phone itself is playing the video, and you still see a picture. So here's my laptop. Here's a picture of the laptop, but the video is playing instead of Scylla. And that, in a nutshell, is Aurasma.